Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. So this is actually the product that I chose for my February 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag. So if you haven't seen my unbagging of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below so that you can see all of the products I got. But this is the clear version. So it says 24-hour invisible shaping and setting gel for brows. I love Benefit brow products and I'm very picky with my brow products. If you're familiar with this series here on my channel, you might know that. But this is a top favorite brow product and I'm surprised I haven't tried it out yet. I love the Benefit Tinted Brow Gel. That's actually the current brow gel that I'm using these days, but I also love a clear brow gel. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel is one of the brow gels that I just keep going back to, but maybe this will be one that will take its place. So this is a little bit expensive. I do have the mini version here, but the full size retails for $24. And you can probably see that I only filled in one of my brows with a pencil because I did want to try this out with and without a pencil just to kind of see how it looks. So the pencil that I'm using, just in case you're curious, is the Winky Lux Unibrow pencil. So I have a full dedicated review video on that if you're interested to see that. But so let's check out this wand. Oh, interesting. It's basically flat with longer bristles on one side and very short tiny bristles on the other. Here you can see what that looks like. So here's the tiny bristles, the still tiny but longer bristles on the other side. This is really not what I expected the brush to look like, but this is probably going to be a lot easier to work with because I hate when it's basically a mascara wand for the brow gel and it gets so messy and it messes up the brows. So let's go ahead and see how this works. I'm going to start out on the brow without any pencil so we can really see how this looks. I mean, hopefully it doesn't look like anything. Hopefully it's actually invisible like it claims. I definitely feel like it's doing a good job of evenly dispersing the product. So I used the longer bristles. I'm going to flip it over just to try it with the smaller ones. Ooh, I do really like it though. I feel like it's a great little brow comb. All of the brows are going in the same direction now. And it really does look invisible. I've also used clear brow gels before that end up looking so crunchy and flaky, and that is not a cute look. So far this really is looking invisible. But while we let that dry, I'm going to go ahead and I just dipped the wand back in. I'm going to go ahead and brush it through the brow with the pencil. So it'll be interesting to see, if it removes any of the pencil, if it alters how that looks at all. But really, I'm not seeing any movement of the pencil, but it does seem to be kind of emphasizing the brow hairs, which I like. And I'm just kind of flipping it back and forth between the longer comb and the shorter side. But it almost slightly darkens the hairs a little bit to just make the hairs look a little bit more natural, which I like. I'm all about a natural brow. So you could brush them up. I still kind of like to keep them brushed over in one direction, but it barely looks like there's any product at all. The only reason it kind of looks like there's product is just because you can see each brow hair a little bit better, which I think is a good thing, but very easy to work with. I really like that little comb. So now the real test. Are these brows in place? Yes, they are not moving. And it's not crunchy, but I can definitely tell that my brows are locked down. So that is, I've got a visitor. Here's Dexter. You might have heard him whining to come up here. He just loves to be on camera. All right, where was I? Oh yeah, testing these brows, but it has such great hold. I love this. It's exactly what I look for in a brow gel. It has great hold, no crunchiness, no flaking, but you can still like see each brow hair to help make the brow look more natural. I mean, I know that I'm going to be using this with a pencil just because I need to perfect my brow shape, but I love this combination of my Winky Lux Unibrow pencil with this Benefit Clear Brow Gel. If you don't need to fill in your brows, I think this is a perfect product to just throw on top so then you don't have to worry about your brows getting messed up, and it doesn't feel like anything on the brows. Like sometimes, you know, you've got like your brow product in, like you can feel it on the brows. Like I don't feel that. So all around, this is so good. I understand the hype, and I could definitely see this being a product that I would purchase in the full size because I need a good brow gel, and this is a good brow gel. So of course I really want to know your thoughts on this Benefit Clear Brow Gel, but also I want to hear what your favorite brow gel is in general, because maybe there's another really great brow gel out there that I have not tried out yet, in which case I need to try it. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.